Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you an awesome piece to convert your ShadCN project to a next level. This page is regarding ShadCN UI theme generator, where you can generate your custom theme using this palette. You can generate those gradients or type of themes using this. Just select them, whatever you like. You can even select your custom images. See, this gives us an awesome background. There are some solid also, but my favorite is this gradient. What you can do is you can just copy this custom code, just copy it, paste it in your global file. Okay, just copy this, just copy it from here. Paste it into your layer base. You can remove this, but let me show you. See, let me just Control Z. This was my before and this is after. You can just directly come here, customize your theme. Let me show you one more. Let's go with this one. This one looks sick. Let's just copy it. Replace your theme with this. Paste it. See, an instant change. See, looks pretty nice, right? So I will mention this link into my description. You can go and check it out. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.